My dear students, all of you are welcome in this morning session of English Literature. I am Dr. Naresh Agrawal going to represent a very beautiful essay, The Meeting Pool, written by Ruskin Bond. Actually, this passage tells us about the activity and hopeful life. Only this is the central key idea of the essay. Born and brought up in India, Ruskin Bond was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934 and grew up in Jamnagar, Gujarat, Dehradun and Simla. In course of a writing career spanning 40 years, he has written over 100 short stories, essays, novels and more than 30 books of children and several collections also. So here, let me discuss about the main idea and theme of the essay. Actually, Ruskin Bond is an eminent author of English language, and to his credit, many stories are there in the form sometimes of essays also. The story, The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond, conveys the message that life goes on come what may. The story is in the form of the recollections of Rusty, the narrator. The narratives of the essay, The Meeting Pool, is an interesting simply because there is a very innocent talk among three friends who take a pledge to return to their favorite pool after 10 years. Rusty, Anil, and Somi were close friends. Out of them, Anil was a wild and a little dangerous boy. He was often moody and impulsive and had an animal charm. Somi, on the other hand, was sensitive and gentle in his ways. However, both of them shared a similar sense of fun and an instinct of adventure. Rusty was just one who involved in the adventure chosen by Anil and Somi. The best moments of their childhood revolves around the pool, which was discovered by Rusty, who is the storyteller. Thus came to be known as Rusty's Pool. As soon as Rusty discovered the pool near the ravine, he was excited to convey the news to his two friends. The secret pool became their meeting point. You may call it meeting place. They indulged in activities like fishing, swimming, wrestling, and buffalo riding nearby and inside the pool. Somi used to swim quite beautifully, whereas Anil would swim with much vigor, for he had long legs and arms. Rusty dived off a rock and usually landed on his stomach. The pool was full of slim silverfish. The waters, actually, it is full of its own genius, silverfish and other types of herbs also. The three tried to catch them with rod and hook as well as a bed sheet, but in vain. But once Anil got it done, exploding some gunpowder. Next, they tried to enlarge the pool by building a dam across one end, but the torrent of the monsoon rain water burst it. They had then the fun of wrestling on a strip of line and enjoying buffalo rides. They used to bath in the pool by moonlight. Those were the happy days of Rusty, Anil, and Somi, but they had to depart once. Somi suggested that they should next meet at the pool after 10 years. both Rusty and Anil to join the promise that they would meet at the pool at midday on the 5th on April 1964. Over the years, the friends broke up. I think some of them forgotten the promise made by them. They went different ways. After his matriculation, Somi joined a military school. Anil and his family went away to Tally, and Rusty could not see him again. Anil and Somi did not keep their place. They had decided to return on 5th of April 1964 at midday. It means on the completion of the 10 years they will come to the pool again. They might have been living their lives the way they wanted, but Rusty kept his pledge. He returned to the pool at midday on 5th of April 1964 as the promise was maintained by Rusty. The pool not only symbolized the bond of friendship between them, but also became a part of their consciousness. Rusty was only one who went to the pool on scheduled day because it was previously decided by them to meet at the pool. He was disappointed that his friends did not keep up their promise. However, there is no bitterness or rancor, as he understands that with the passage of time, their needs and priorities might be changed. Rusty found the stream without any water. Over years, it too had changed its course of life. As he had just begun to return disappointedly, he heard the splashing of water and shouting of boys from a nearby spot. There were half a dozen boys playing in the water of another pool. Rusty's memories rolled back. The ruby moments spent in the company of friends in the pool in childhood, they become enlivened in his mind. His eyes were seeing another team of Somi and Anil, he himself and the comfort-loving buffaloes there. He imagines himself and his friends in their place. Thus, the narrative ends the message that life goes on, come what may. So, activity, action, that is important rather than inactivity or passivity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Oh, dear students. Yes. Two students are raising their fingers to explain in Hindi. So, मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. रस्किन बॉन्ड हिमाचल प्रदेश में जन्मे, भारत में बड़े हुए, पले पोसे और भारत के विविध स्थानों पर रहे. कई सारी कहानियाँ उनके क्रेडिट में है और बहुत ही एमिनेंट राइटर हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के. और इस कहानी जो लेख के रूप में प्रस्तुत है उसका उद्देश्य है कि लाइफ गोस ऑन कम वॉट में, जीवन चलता ही रहता है चाहे कुछ ही हो जाए कुछ ना हो. यहाँ पर तीन मित्र हैं, एक तो रस्टी है, एक सोमी है और तीसरा फ्रेंड अनिल है. तो ये बच्चे वहाँ पर खेलते थे और इन्होंने एक बार ये तय किया कि 10 साल बाद हम वापस इस पॉइंट पे मिलेंगे और उनको अच्छा लगेगा. 10 साल बीते तो रस्टी अपने वादे के मुताबिक वहाँ पहुँचा, दोनों दूसरे नहीं पहुँचे. और रस्टी ने देखा कि जो पॉन्ड है, तालाब है, वो भी पानी बहुत ही कम, ना के बराबर सा है. उसका भी अपना तरीका बदल गया. फिर उसने सोचा कि उसके दोस्त भी अपने जीवन में बिज़ी हो गए होंगे, कहीं लाइफ में प्रायोरिटीज़ में व्यस्त होंगे. लेकिन तभी एक पास में नियर बाई एरिया में पानी की छल छल कल कल की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. रस्टी वहाँ गया तो वहाँ देखा कुछ बच्चे खेल रहे थे और उसको एक नई जगह देखने का मौका मिला. उसको उन बच्चों को देख करके सारा कुछ अपने रूबी मोमेंट्स जो वहाँ उन्होंने एक साथ बिताए थे वो सब याद आ गए. कहानी एकदम जीवंत उसके दिमाग में जीवित रूप से स्ट्राइक करने लगी और पास्ट की सारी इंसिडेंट बहुत अच्छी लगने लगी. यही इस लेख का उद्देश्य है कि लेकिन जैसे वो अपने बताए हुए समय प्रॉमिस पर खरे नहीं उतरे, वो दोनों मित्र नहीं आए लेकिन कभी पहुंचा। तो इसलिए लेखक कहना चाहता है कि जो जीवन है चलता ही रहता है, चाहे कुछ भी हो, लाइफ गोज ऑन, कम वॉट में जीवन में कुछ भी आए उतार चढ़ाव, लेकिन जीवन अपने तरीके से चलता ही रहता है। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन हो गया, अच्छी तरह सुन लीजिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत, थैंक यू।